quieres.
Alright. Finna make some honey chicken with cilantro, white rice, and fried zucchini.
I'm going. ¿Qué comes, ma?
She's eating Oreo.
And we're gonna eat some crispy dumpling bites, bulgogi chicken and vegetables for appetizers. Really good with that salt. Alright, flip them around. You know what I'm saying? The other side. Try it right quick. Now,
She's gonna make a mess.
we're gonna eat the egg, no?
Yeah.
You add your salt, your pepper to the flour to give it more flavor. Since we're running out, I think that's pretty much what we got. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
One more.
No, it's fine, because we're...
One. Two. Oh, you got the trash.
No!
Four. No. Okay.
Watch out, baby.
Okay.
I want like 3 or 4.
Oh no, you do get a little sauce. Little packet sauce. Shit. There you go. Oh, it does sweet and spicy sauce included. Nice.
Bulgogi and vegetables.
The thin meat.
The meat, like really thin meat.
Good. I made it last time. want to put in there?
Oh, they're so tiny. I thought they were bigger.
No, that's a whole bag here. Try it. It's hot as hell.
Well, yeah, you gotta let it cool down.
Don't forget your sauce.
I didn't even see it.
Oh, yeah. Those are good. Oh.
Good. Wait, I got 3, right? I know. I was expecting it to be like a normal duffel size.
There were 3.